Today, England plays Croatia in the World Cup 2026 tournament, the first in the series. I will be watching here behind the wheels as England prepares to bring the World Cup home. Have you ever noticed that two Uber drivers can drive in the same city, drive the same car, and work roughly the same hours? But one driver ends the month with the money in the bank, and the other driver wonders where all the money went. The difference isn't always luck. The difference isn't always mindset. One driver is hustling, and the other driver is running a business. That is the difference. Also, I'll be sharing my usual trips, expenses, and earnings on this shift. Let's get into it. Today is 17th of June 2026, and it's a special day around the world. Why? Because it's the World Cup season. Again, today is England's first match in the series, and they are playing against Croatia. I'm excited. I'm looking forward to it. And it's definitely coming home. Yes, it's coming home. It's coming home. It's coming home. The World Cup is coming to England. Yes. By the way, guys, do you agree with me that it's coming home? Yes, it's coming home. It's coming home. And I'm looking forward to it. Tonight at 9 o'clock, don't miss it. England versus Croatia. Anyway, I'm starting the shift now, and I'm heading towards my first pickup of the day. So, let's get it done. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, let's get out.
Oh, I'm sorry for
It's all right.
the only reason I'm insisting on it is because I get sick.
Oh yeah, no worries, man. You're welcome
it.
to share the front seat with me.
Thank you very much.
No worries at all.
What is happening here?
I have no idea. Just absolutely no idea.
Okay.
I hope it's not the gym or something.
Over here, where the gates are.
Okay.
Over
So
here.
over here. that's
Over
it.
here. Yeah. You can go in.
Okay, cool.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
No worries at all. Pleasure.
Yeah, you can turn over here if you want.
Thank you very much.
Perfect. Thank you.
No worries.
Have a good day.
And you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Cheers. That's first trip of the day completed. It was a distance of 4.23 miles. Took me about 20 minutes and earned £9.37. Moving on to the next one. Trip number 2. Let's get it done. Hello.
Hello.
Chantel,
Yes, please.
please come in. Okay.
Thank you. No, she just said I'm at bad. Okay, let's go.
Keep going this way?
No, here.
Oh, yeah, it's
okay,
good.
yeah,
Okay.
Yeah, here.
Okay, thank you.
Down there. Yeah.
No
Thank
worries.
you.
No worries. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a good afternoon.
Okay.
That's second trip of the day completed. It was a distance of 5.5 miles. Took me 31 minutes or thereabout and earned £14.65. Moving on to the next one. Trip number 3. Let's get it done.
Yeah.
Are we good?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Let's go.
Hello.
Oh, thank you. Yeah.
Look at quick, like.
That's trip number 3 completed. It was a distance of 2.50. Took me 12 minutes and earned £6.44. Moving on to the next one, trip number 4. Let's get it on. Hello, hi.
Hiya, Beata.
That's correct. Beata. Thank you. No, thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right. That's trip number 4 completed. It was a distance of 2.57 miles. Took me 23 minutes 41 seconds and earned £7 44 pence. Moving on to the next one, trip number 5. Let's get it done. Hello, hi. Leona,
Yeah.
please come in.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry. Oh my god.
Is it okay here?
Yeah, he was okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Sorry for the noise.
No, not at all, man. Baby, that's fine. Absolutely fine. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Cheers. That's trip number 5 completed. It was a distance of 3.27 miles. Took me 16 minutes 45 seconds and earned £8 13 pence. Moving on to the next one, trip number 6. Let's get it on. Hello.
Hello.
Mark, yes. Thank you. That's for Mark. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Cheers. Thank you. Sweet.
Yes, brother. Uber to Stanmore.
Stanmore.
Yeah.
No, not for me.
Not for Theo.
You're going to Stanmore.
Yeah.
You have to book with Uber.
What? Is this not Uber?
This is Uber, but you have to book on your phone, on your app.
Yeah, what? So who are you here for?
I'm just drop somebody off. I just drop somebody off. No, sorry. Could that last conversation be a setup? Could that guy who just spoke to me be an inspector? Anyway, I nicely declined the offer and I advised him to go online and book if he really wants an Uber. Have you been approached on the street by a rider to take them to a sightseeing destination without prior booking? Let me know in the comments below. That's trip number 6 completed. It was a distance of 0.77 miles. Took me 3 minutes and earned £4 69 pence. Moving on to the next one, trip number 7. Let's get it done. You alright?
Yes.
Okay, number 2, you put number 2 Subway place.
Oh, I was actually in the garden.
Oh, you were in the garden. Oh,
Yes.
yeah. So you're in the right place, actually. Is it good, yeah?
Yeah, it's right here. This one.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everyone. That trip number 7 completed. It was a distance of 1.3 miles. Took me 6 minutes and 30 seconds and earned £5 and 9 pence. Moving on to the next one, trip number 8. Let's get it done. James.
Yeah. All right, buddy.
How are you, sir? All right?
Yeah, I'm good.
That's good. Thank you very much.
Mate,
Pleasure, sir.
absolute pleasure.
Thank
to
you
meet
very much.
Take
Thank
it
you.
easy.
Cheers. Thank
Good
you.
luck with everything.
Thank you very much. Have a good evening.
Bye-bye, mate.
Cheers. Bye. That is trip number 8 completed. It was a distance of 2.46. Took me about 7 minutes and earned £4 69 pence. Moving on to the next one. Let's get it done. Hello, hi. That's for Laura, yeah? Thank you.
Yeah, penalty.
That's good.
Kingsbury taking it now. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
No
Thank
problem.
you very much.
All right, cheers.
Take care.
Have a good afternoon.
Thank you.
Hi. That trip number 9 completed. It was a distance of 2.41 miles. Took me 11 minutes 41 seconds and earned £5 77 pence. Moving on to the next one. Let's keep going. it seems that the World Cup is on the way. England versus Croatia, right? I can hear some noise there. What's happening? The goal? To who? I don't know. I can hear some sound. I can hear the sound. My goodness. I'm excited, man. The England first match is on the way. That is England versus Croatia. Pubs all over the country, jam-packed, full. In fact, while driving, I can feel the vibe of the supporters trying to watch the match today. What are you doing? Are you working like I'm doing, or are you at home watching the match? Let me know in the comment. But my stake is on England. England! Go for it. It's coming home. Yes, let's go. Let's get it done. Next trip. Let's go there.
Thank you.
No worries. Hello, guys. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
You're going to be busy today with all these
Oh, well.
people.
I'm hoping so.
People on screen.
That's the plan. What's the scores at the moment?
I don't know.
1-0.
Oh, 2.
Okay.
1-0.
I would literally rather chop off my own arm.
Well, I don't give a shit.
But there were 2 penalties, and Harry Kane missed one, and he scored
Oh my
one.
God!
Oh
how
my
are you
goodness,
so
already?
clued in?
Could
That's
have
crazy.
been, we could have
I
been
knew that
2-0 up, but we're only
Oh my
1-0
goodness.
up, babe.
Two penalties
Oh.
already.
I don't give it.
Wow.
It's because I work in comms, babe. I have to be like.
Oh, you have to be, yeah. For those I'm watching, you're clocking it. Yeah. That's quite the skill, bravo.
Wow. That's good to know. 2 penalties, 1 in, 1 up. It's coming home, I think.
I do feel this missed penalty may come back to bite us on the arse.
Is
to be honest.
it?
What do you think we're going to lose this one?
I think we might lose
Oh
it,
my
yeah.
God.
But Croatia, historically
Ah, yeah, they-
been not a bad team.
Oh, I thought
Yeah,
they were
they're
rubbish.
good. No, they're
They're
not.
not bad.
They're not. They're good.
Oh, are they?
Just
They're very
lost
good
to the
tonight.
Democratic
Yeah,
Republic of
they're not bad.
Congo, didn't they?
But if we lose this one, does that mean we're out?
No, this is the group stage.
Oh.
No, it's a
Don't really
good
get
thing,
it.
but
Oh,
you
Chris, you
know,
got it, like,
given
yeah.
he's
I
in
honestly, I would genuinely rather do
given
anything else.
he's in our group, it would be good. This is like a mid for who's in our group. Like it would be good
Okay.
for us to win it.
Okay.
There are some people who we should easily beat, but there are some people who will beat us, so
Yeah,
we should take the win.
Yeah, and probably we will.
Yeah, we
Not
should
beat
take
the ones.
I think
take the win where we can, you know.
Who do you think is going to win? The whole thing.
The whole thing. It would probably be Spain, France, Brazil.
Yeah, that's what I think
Ireland.
actually.
What do you think, Spain?
I'm also thinking it's France. Might be France.
France
That's-
have always had a pretty good.
Because,
It depends what the draw ends up being.
Fucking French.
Could
are
be a
so smug.
France-Spain final. That would be a good watch.
Yes.
But they're so smug, the
Yeah.
French.
I
Generally
mean,
speaking, or just with football?
No, generally speaking. Oh,
That
God,
would
you're not
be
French,
good.
are you?
That would be a good watch. France-Spain. I would enjoy watching that.
Who are you supporting?
Myself?
Yes.
Oh, England.
England.
It's coming home. I should have. It should be Nigeria, but
Welcome
unfortunately,
to the
we're
world
not.
of
We're not there.
fame, my
Unfortunately,
friend.
You didn't
We're
qualify,
not-
did you?
We didn't qualify at all.
Ah,
So it has to be England. Oh yeah, it has
You
to be.
don't want to support England, babe. It's just a world of pain.
Well, they say it every year, don't they, that we're going to win, and then we don't.
Oh yeah.
You never win.
bunch of moronic fucking lads who don't.
Yeah.
Last
brain
World Cup
cell
was
with
so close. Last World Cup, very
To be
close.
fair, we're not bad at football these days. We're not bad.
Yeah, England is number 4 world in the world ranking.
Yeah.
Number 4.
We're not bad.
Morally, though.
Yeah, that's a whole different
Thankfully, the
kettle.
rankings are not based on morality.
I mean, I don't know who the number one to be honest.
Yeah, who is number
Unless
one?
like Finland are playing. Get out. Thank you very much.
Thank you very
Perfect.
much.
Thank you so much.
Have a lovely evening.
And you guys.
Enjoy yourself. Stay
I hope
safe.
you don't have any drunk England fans
Oh yeah, really.
Fingers
hope you
crossed.
don't. My
because they're
goodness.
dickheads. They don't represent. England.
Fingers crossed. I hope not. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good evening.
Yeah.
Bye. What a good start for the England team today. England beat Croatia 4-2. It was a game to be reckoned with. England put in everything possible and they came out triumphant. Well done, England. Well done, England. I said earlier, it's coming home. Yes. In fact, in the last 15 minutes of the match, I had to look for a place to park, and I went into the nearest pub just to witness that energy, to witness that effort from the England team. Well done, England. Well done, England. I am supporting you all the way. It's coming home. Yes, it's coming home. My support all the way. The next England game, I am very, a little bit emotional about it. And why is that? England is playing Ghana. Ghana is from West Africa, and it's the only country in West Africa that is represented in the World Cup. Unfortunately, Nigeria couldn't make it to this year's World Cup. So, I am not sure where to swing to. England, Ghana. I think the simple answer is I am not watching the game. I'm not going to be listening to commentary, and I'm just going to be my ears deaf on the day. But I wish the best team good luck. Now, let's go back to work.
Thanks.
Are you all right?
Yeah, good thanks.
That's good.
What are you eating now?
Thank you very much.
Perfect.
Sure.
Yeah, that's it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Right. Yeah. That's another trip completed. It was a distance of 5.96 miles, right? Took me 22 minutes and earned £10.66. Moving on to the next one. Let's get it done. That's Rahibi. Please come in. No worries at all.
Can I just have a
Yeah,
little
yeah, yeah.
look?
Please take your time. Take your time. No worries at all.
Sorry, I felt it pop off my
No worries
ear.
at all. Just take your
They're always
time.
so tiny. It's
I know,
a bit
I know.
frustrating. I heard it pop off my ear.
Take your time. That's another one completed. It was a distance of 2.77 miles. Took me 8 minutes and earned £6.45. Moving on to the next one. Let's get it done. Right. That's Mariama.
Yeah, Maria.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
No worries. Let's get it luggage for it. Another trip completed. It was a distance of 0.70 miles. Took me 3 minutes and earned £4.75. Moving on to the next one. Let's get it done. David, yes, thank you. Are you all right?
Thank you.
Thank you, cheers, good night. Another trip completed. It was a distance of 1.66 miles. Took me 6 minutes and earned £4.67. Moving on to the next one. Let's get it done. Good. No worries. Thank you, bye. Cheers, bye. That is the last trip of the day completed. It was a distance of 3.05. Took me 7 minutes and earned £4.63. Here is the final stats for the day. Online time, 7 hours, 45 minutes. Driving time, 6 hours and 3 minutes. Trips, 22 trips done altogether. EB charge, £16.59. Total earnings, the final gross earnings for the day, £143.69. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, know the finish. Until next time, drive safe, stay smart, and I shall see you in the next episode.